the anthem. For all the women that been through shit, you been down, it's time to get the fuck up. Take over, boss lady. If you a bossed out chick, make your own money and floss them chips. Fly in, fly out, put your drinks up. Buy everything that you ever think of. T. New York.
So hi guys, long time no see. So today is on Tuesday. Yeah, today is on Tuesday. Don't mind my wig. I want to just like do some touch-ups. I installed this wig on Saturday and I've been with it all through. I did nothing to it. I just had a bonnet on and yeah, this is how it's looking. So I want to install it again to do like touch-ups on it. Some glue here and here, then do my makeup, cause yeah, we're heading out. I'm heading out for dinner with someone at this amazing restaurant. So yeah, stay along guys. So yeah, let's get ready.
My snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap. Let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you could let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight. Cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then
you had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. Can't stand the rain in July. There were fireworks explode. But now it's getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season. The one and only reason. Baby, oh, summer turned into fall.
damn, tell me where did all the magic go? I followed the rules and told you everything you had to know. Had you over every night was passionate. Plus you met my mother even if it was an accident. I'm confused, tell me where we go wrong. I was sure that I would be with you for so long. I was planning on this being something worth mentioning. Energy invested in someone I saw potential in. Who killed chivalry and need to get their sentence in. Meanwhile we arguing and I can't get a sentence in. And just as I predicted, here we go again. They always say the hottest love has the coldest end.
Oh, you had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is.
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen her how to shit that a youngin' never seen before. I say, oh, you're the one I wanna be the. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I let her do a game proper, spit it so she get it. This year I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's at the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's at the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the door say yeah. Excuse me, this morning. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You making me want to say no. I know you're trying to be on this. I saw that dance with you. Now I love to keep you here with me, oh baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand. And let's pretend the flow was ours. You say you don't really dance. Just one first step. Now with the music is moving too fast. kwa tena. Na Davido amekuja Kenya. Naina club. Make some noise everybody! Coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm lonely, you make me feel normal. Whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's why I call my home. Whenever you're down, I'll be there, you know. To be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time we together. I'm here for the sun. Hold you for my hand. Hold you for my I love you, Kenya. I love you, Nairobi. I love you. DJ. Loving you, name I need Loving you, name I need I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space. That I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. In my heart, my mind, my body.
How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing good. Myself, I'm okay. So happy Eid to the Muslim brothers and sisters. And yeah, you'll see this vlog later onwards, obviously. Yes, so today is on Eid. Today is on Wednesday. I'm heading out to go look for a house. Cause yeah, if you saw my last vlog, yeah, I've just posted it today actually. If you saw it, I said that I had stopped looking for a house, but now I'm back looking for a house. I've seen some houses on TikTok, and that is how I got my current apartment. So I want to go view some of them. Yeah, and yeah, if I get a good house, I'll probably book it and yeah, move out by the end of the month. Yeah. So if you're new to this channel, honey, you're welcome to this amazing family. If you're a returning subby, thank you so much for coming back. And if you've not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. I know you have, because yeah, actually it's funny how everyone is starting a YouTube channel, like, yeah, anyway, let's not dwell so much into that, but yeah, that is it. I'm looking good, I'm loving myself more, and yeah, you see the glow, don't worry about this enemy here. It's almost that time of the month, and yeah, I got myself a cute rosary from Holy Family. If you're Catholic, you know Holy Family, and yeah, you know all about rosaries. So I got me a Mother Mary to be working with me around. Yeah, so yeah, I'm going to house hunt, and a friend is taking me. Yeah, because yeah, why not? Yeah, so I'm just waiting for him to come and pick me up, then yeah, we head there. I will not vlog, obviously, for security reasons, and for you guys to know where I'll be moving to. Yeah, so that is why I won't be vlogging, but yeah, we maintain peace, and yeah, enjoy the rest of the vlog. And actually, I don't know if this will be the last time I'm vlogging. No, yeah, so stay tuned, and yeah, I'll give you guys a house tour of my current apartment before I move out. Don't worry, I got you. Love you guys. Tell me a bitch is crazy without telling me a bitch is crazy. Happy birthday, Mofo. Let's go get our hair done.
Imagine, kwanzia saa 8. Just saying saa ngapi?
6:30.
6:35. Gani ni 6:30? Niko ndani 6.
Don't stop.
guys, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing good. I'm tired. Anyway, today is on Tuesday. Yeah, today is on Tuesday. I'm going to house hunt again. The other day I didn't get a house, so today I'm going with my sister. So first I'm heading to town, then I meet with my sister, then yeah, we go house hunting, and then I'll go home. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. So I have some few things I'm carrying. Yeah, so let's head out to town. The next time I'll be talking to you guys will be when I'm home. Yeah, so meanwhile, if you're new to this amazing channel, please subscribe, and you're welcome to this family. If you're a returning subby, thank you so much for coming back. And if you've not yet subscribed, darling, please subscribe. So yeah, I want to head out so quickly so that I don't keep her waiting in town, because yeah, where she is, it will just be like a short distance. And yeah, so yeah, bye guys. Home sweet home. Another day of house hunting.